Hi guys, here is Brahmastra in 5 minutes. मुझे लगता है कि this is the first time in India someone has tried a good take on a little bit mythology, a little bit story, like how in West they are using Norse mythology for movies like Thor. And I appreciate that they have given an honest attempt to this movie. So the movie starts with the strongest voice narration.
वायु, अग्नि, प्राचीन काल से हमारे बीच कुछ ऐसी शक्तियां हैं
जो अस्त्रों में भरी हुई है। कहानी है इन सारे अस्त्रों के देवता की, ब्रह्मास्त्र।
So basically Guruji is telling that there are many astras and we are a community who possess the astra. और उसमें
दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा
the top astra is Brahmastra. Now here is Bunny from Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. Oh, I'm sorry guys, my bad. Ranbir has not aged for like 10 years and he is exactly like he was in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. And now Shiva has some spider senses and he sees. So SRK fights this evil guys and eventually get defeated by Moini Roy's acting.
हमारा सिर्फ एक मकसद, ब्रह्मास्त्र।
कौन है यार, क्या है यार ये?
But SRK stole the show for a while and a very good cameo. Shiva sees Isha at a Durga Puja and here is a high budget song on an Indian festival. Really, Ayan Mukherjee knows how to direct a full blown Bollywood song. Too much people in this. They could have used VFX, but I know the reason.
And what about overall unemployment? It was around 7.
Shiva is a DJ player. Out of nowhere, Isha is also there. Shiva keeps following her even if she gets inside the lift. What kind of lift is this? And where is this pup? Shiva is a good guy. He takes her to a birthday party to celebrate an orphan's birthday. ये सब देख के तो यार एक ही चीज की याद आती है.
तो अनाथ हूँ, मुझे भी एक निवाला खिलाओगी?
Shiva again gets this Dohra. SRK is killed, but he tells where all the parts of Brahmastra are. कुछ नहीं, थोड़ा स्क्रिप्ट बदल दी है, इन्फिनिटी स्टोन को ब्रह्मास्त्र कर दिया है. Inspiration is allowed. Shiva takes Isha to Varanasi to help artist Anish. Now Shiva tells Anish about the killer. But wait, killer is about to kill Isha. Now Anish saves them using his very cool Nandi Astra. I think this is the first time someone has made a cooler superhero with VFX in India.
I'm so sorry.
Killers are chasing them for a part of Brahmastra, but now Shiva has to take the Astra to Guruji. So Anish saves them from Killer with his Nandi Astra and with the world's best transition of voice. I really think that the transition was cool and with very good use of VFX. Now Junun complains about Shiva to her boss, which is Dev. Now Shiva comes to ashram and Guruji motivates him by saying that you are a Yodha and you need to train. And Guruji blackmails him by saying he knows his parents' story. Now Shiva trying to control his arc. Ranbir do what he is best at. Now Guruji tells him the first class backstory of his parents. Now Guruji tells him about Dev, who has the power of Agni. And he defeated many Astra holders and he stole Brahmastra. But Amrita defeated him. But before this, Amrita and Dev were lovers. And Shiva is their son. I honestly feel this is the best decision they took to not reveal faces of Amrita and Dev, even though we know who they are. Still, it gives the mysterious and strong backstory vibe to it. Suddenly, Junun is here, and they attack and gets the second part. Ranbir tackles them with his firecrackers. In the era of Brahmastra, they are using bullets, and after using almost half of the budget in VFX, Junun finally joins the Brahmastra. And now everything becomes yellow. Some earthquake comes, but Shiva goes to save Isha. Shiva tries to save her and controls the Brahmastra. And here is the end of part 1. See, story is very simple. It's not out of the world, but it's true to its belief. Honestly, spoon feeding तो बहुत किया है. But of course, they wanted to appeal a larger audience. So it's a good movie overall with good VFX and good use of colors. हाँ, डायलॉग का थोड़ा सोचना रह गया, एक्सप्लेन दिस मूवी टू अ 4-year-old। ऐसा एआई में डालने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है क्योंकि डायलॉग्स ने ही वो काम कर दिया है। रोमांटिक एंगल की बात करूँ तो ईशा शिवा का बटन है, बट अगर वो बटन वो एक बार भी ऑन करके जाती तो भी चलता क्योंकि स्टोरी में एज सच उसका कोई इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं है, even though she has done a very good job. And yes, overall it's a good movie experience and I'm excited to watch the next part. Hi guys, please like, share and subscribe. See you next time.